we are now playing Roblox again, and we're gonna discover the biggest myth on this game. I know this myth, the guys. I think it's the scariest myth ever, guys. Let me just erase this all of this, guys. We're gonna discover the biggest myth ever. Oh, not YouTube, guys. Not YouTube. Not YouTube. Guys, guys, my cell phone. Oh no, it's iOS, guys. Let's click Roblox and let's discover the biggest myth ever. Because I have a scary myth, guys. Wait, play this game, Destroy Tower game, guys. Play Destroy Tower game, guys. Wait. Look at my Wi-Fi, guys. I have mahina na Wi-Fi. So you need to wait long, guys. No! Oh my goodness, guys. Because I'm in my house. I have may load ako kaganina, guys. Ayan na. Guys, ang tagal. Ang tagal kasi nito, guys. Bro. What the hell? Ma, pasok na ako. Ma. Guys, oh my goodness. I was about to say, nakita tayo the biggest myth. Duh. Yes, it's working now. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Working. That's what I thought, bro. Let's now discover the biggest myth in this game. Guys, this is actually scary, guys. Wait. Guys, let's now discover. That's a lot of people die. Just walk in there. That's the biggest myth we need to do. Wait. Let's go here and let's walk there. To that light. Let's walk to that light, guys. And that guy just disappeared, bro. The Lord.
Tawag ka na mo.
Guys,
Tingnan
where is
mo.
the Lord? Guys, where's this
Uy.
Lord?
Yo.
Happens. Bro, what the hell just happened?
Tama
What
ka
the
ba dyan?
hell just happened?
Ha?